What's up traders, welcome back to the TFT channel. Today we have some exciting news. We are now offering CTrader as an alternative for our international clients. In this video, we'll discuss some of the features of CTrader. At first glance, you can see that CTrader has a very modernized look and aesthetic. On the left-hand side, you have your trade instruments, and on the lower side, you have your position and trade information. On the upper and right-hand side, you'll find your standard charting tools. Most of the tools you'll need, you can find by just right-clicking on the chart. CTrader allows you to set price alerts, and you can find that in this drop-down menu. You'll also be able to place an order, choose an instrument, select a chart type, customize the colors of the chart, and choose a time frame that you want to trade from. CTrader offers more time frames, including tick, Renko, range, and Heikin-Ashi. On the order form, they offer a visual and customizable approach to risk management, including the exact dollar amount and percentage that you'll be risking per trade. CTrader also offers the ability to modify positions after they've been placed. These features can potentially be a game changer for traders. I hope this video has helped you understand some of the key features, and if you have any questions, please reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and happy trading.